Hello YouTube, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete any application without using control panel. So let's get straight into the video. So let's suppose that the application that I need to delete is this application, the ADU shortcut. So first of all, we need to find the application. That's very simple. Just right click on the shortcut, click on open file location, and here you are in the file location. So you need to find an app named uni or simply an installer. Just click on the top right bar, search bar, and click on and search uni. Here you will find an application named unis000.exe or any other depending on the program you're using. Click on it, open it, and it will ask you to delete all if you want to install all your applications components, and yes, you need to do. So now it's installing, and hence we have successfully removed the application from the computer without using control panel. So that's the motive of the video, and we have done it. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing because it helps me a lot to make these videos, and like the video and comment down below if you feel any problems so that I can solve. Thanks you for watching.